Yes, we're making lentil soup today. So we have a bowl of lentils. 1 water glass can be enough for 3 people. 1 onion and 1 potato. 1 carrot and 1 capia pepper. If you don't like capia pepper, you can leave it out. It's good that way too. Yes, now we're moving on to the construction phase. Yes, we're starting to do it now. We add 4 tablespoons of oil to our pot. Then, that we wash, we add our well-washed lentils. It is very important to wash the lentils thoroughly so that there is not too much foam. Yeah, a few minutes. A couple of minutes like this, yeah. This is the important trick, so that your mop doesn't foam too much. This is important. Yes, as you can see, we've chopped our ingredients here. Potatoes, peppers, onions, carrots, onions. Well, I don't normally add carrots. Today, I added it to show you the original recipe. We don't like carrots. Yes. Yes, now we add all our ingredients. Yes, as you can see, we added them all. Now we add the hot water that we boiled before. We add about 3 glasses of water. Now we need to cook for about 20 minutes until the vegetables are soft. We'll boil it, then we'll pass it through the blender. See you there. Yes, as you can see. So, our soup is about. It's been cooking for 15 minutes. Well, the vegetables have softened and I'm going to blend them. Yes, now. Well, I'm taking a break here. I'll blenderize it and come back. Yes, our soup is cooked through a rondo. Yes. Well, since the consistency of ours is a little thick, I added 1 more glass of hot water. I added 1 spoonful of salt. Yes, it's cooked as you can see. So, chili pepper. You can also add mint when serving. If you want to add more at this stage, you can add more. Yes. Bon appetit to those who want to eat or those who want to try.